Rwy'n gwneud apprenticeship I cael arian a dysgu ar y un pryd. Mae'r apprenticeship fi wedi mynd gorau, fi wedi joio pob dydd.
The benefits for us as a company employing apprentices is specifically training them in the work we do. Our methods, processes, ultimately resulting in employment at the end of it then for Ben.
Pryd ni'n mynd I coleg, mae athro fi yn gallu siarad Cymraeg. So pryd ni'n siarad gyda'r gwaith, ni'n siarad mewn Cymraeg. Mae DC Capdi yn cael contract gyda'r heddlu a rwy'n dynafio Cymraeg I siarad gyda'r officers yn gallu. So mae'r language yn mynd mewn i'r gwaith fi.
We've had some instances where some of the older clients, some vulnerable tenants that we have in properties, sometimes they feel a little bit more at ease when they hear Ben speaking Welsh, which to me as a company, it benefits us to put the resident at ease. Ben's an asset to the company. He's sort of actively encouraged to participate. He gets involved with the work. He's good with residents, clients. He's definitely very employable at the moment. So, yeah.